Congratulations, Mr. Jürgen. Can you explain little more about the new research that HOMAG has done for this LIGNA show?
Yeah. First of all, the LIGNA show for us, the most important show definitely worldwide. This is the show where you have to be, where you have to show your innovation. Our motto, our theme for this LIGNA is touch the innovation, touch the future. And this is so important for us. Therefore, we are displaying our latest technologies, but also future technologies in our innovation center. One important technology we see behind us. This is our Power Touch control. And Power Touch, what does it mean? We took the applications, which you know from a smartphone, and we put it onto our machines. That means the scrolling, then enlarging, making smaller. Or also then technologies that it is for the operator very easy to operate the machine along a big production line, but also for a single machine. That means innovations for our small customers, small carpenter shops, or for big industrial companies. We are covering everything, and we want to have solutions for everybody. That means we are not just a machine builder, we are a solution provider, and this we underline under this LIGNA.
And I think this is a very good, because I have been seeing that these are very user friendly, like you told, it's a mobile application like thing, so it will be very easy for a common operator to use this new technology.
That was also a very important idea for us. The point is this, we wanted to be sure that nearly everybody can operate the machine. Therefore, I personally tried it out, and I can operate it now. And I'm not a specialist, definitely not. But beside this, we also brought application into the machines. For example, energy saving. Yeah? For example, Eco Plus, this little button here. Every new machine from the HOMAG Group has to be 10% more efficient than the one before. That means resource efficiency, and there Eco Plus, it's so important.
It is amazing. 10% saving on power is a handsome amount of, and plus it is helping the nature.
Yeah, that's exactly the point. It is on one hand, it's our obligation to future generations, to the kids of our kids, yeah, but also an obligation to our customers for savings on the monetary side. So 10% reduced energy costs, whether it's power, whether it's vacuum, doesn't matter. Everything is money, and therefore to be more competitive, that's important.
Can you, because HOMAG has done a lot of work and they have supported in development of the lightweight technology, can you little explain more about, because HOMAG has been playing a very vital role in developing this technology?
Yeah, lightweight panels, the whole lightweight discussion, it's important. It's also resource efficiency. Wood, we have plenty of forests, but we don't have enough wood. So we need solutions to use the resource wood better. Yeah? And lightweight sounds always a little bit light. Therefore I call them composite panels, because they are really high-end. That's advanced technology. And what we are showing here is a machine, a whole line, which takes a lightweight panel. We put a support edge on, and we put an edge on, then finally, and it's perfect with a strong strength. And this is what the customer is looking for.
Mr. Jürgen, whole world is looking at HOMAG for new technologies, and HOMAG has been giving them. But this recession which has passed, and now we are seeing some progress and development. What tips you would like to give to the industry to survive, to do progress in such a very financially tight situation?
I think critical times are very important to think about, to rethink what you are doing. And this is what HOMAG did for themselves, but what we also tell our customers. We want to sell our machines, we want to sell our services, but the most important thing is we want to explain the customer the right process. That means together with our customers, whether it's a small customer or a big customer. We are analyzing the process. We say you can do this or that better, and then we explain him what type of machine solutions we have. And if we talk about the process, it's not the machine. Here on an edge bender, it's a board, it's a glue, it's the edge. That means the whole process will be analyzed. But also in the company, what are you doing with stock material? What are you doing in order to pack your machine adequately? So we are covering the whole production process from the entry until the end, and also then the data. That means with eSolution, we're covering the whole data flow, the data optimization, but to make it easy for the customer to operate and to use the data.
Now we say, everyone says that the global economy is improving. What has been your experience? How you look at the economical progress in the sector of this wood and panel process?
I can tell you only one thing. With 2012, the HOMAG Group was quite satisfied. We already published our figures, and there were some excellent markets. There were other markets not so good. So what we see, not the whole world will go up or down, but what we see, individual markets are getting stronger. For example, China, our production facility in China, we are producing like hell, and there's still a big demand. The same in India, our setup in Bangalore, the right decision, and we made the decision in the crisis. This is the time to make decisions to upgrade, to be prepared for the next upturn, and this is what we did. And under the line, there are some excellent markets, some excellent areas. Others, they have space to improve, but they will improve.
And I think HOMAG has given a very good example of converting the crisis into the opportunities, and opportunities into a successful business.
Definitely. I always, every challenge is also an opportunity. And if you have an excellent team, and I and the whole board is very lucky that we have an excellent team around it. For example, what you are seeing here, this is more than 100 big 40-ton trucks. And we set it up within a little bit more than 1 week. When I came here for the pre-acceptance of this booth last Thursday, it was nearly completely finished. And therefore, I'm very proud of the team, of the HOMAG team, which built up this, but which is also supporting our customers. And this is the strength of HOMAG, a lot of specialized companies together in one group and fighting and supporting together. That's important.
Thank you, Mr. Jürgen, and we wish you all the best. That 2014 will be a wonderful year, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It was a great pleasure, as usual.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.